channel. We are going to be doing a Nordstrom Trunk Club unboxing. I received my trunk in this month and I had requested items to transition into spring. Now, if you are new around here, first I would love if you subscribed and followed along with my channel. But a Nordstrom trunk is a box subscription service, a clothing service with things also like jewelry, handbags, things like that, accessories, shoes, etc. that you can purchase through Nordstrom. It is $25, but if you have a Nordstrom card, it is a free service to you. And then you can keep or return as many items as you choose. The only thing I will say that is a slight bit different about their trunk than other box services, you do not get a discount for purchasing multiple items in the box. However, I will say that Nordstrom does great things, like if an item goes on sale, they will honor the sale price. If you end up like a month or two later, never have worn something and you decide you don't like it, you can message them and they will allow you to still return it. Same return process as Nordstrom. You do, when you originally sign up, go through and fill out an entire questionnaire answering all kinds of questions about outfits you like, what your sizing is, what your style is, what type of colors you like, things like that, price points that you would like to be in for items. And then each time you request a box, which can be as much as every month or once a year, you decide. But with that, you can then give them ideas of things you're looking for. If you're going to a wedding and you want some wedding dress options, if you want some swimsuit options, if you want some date night outfits, if you want some casual looks, if you want some athletic looks, there are a ton of ways to do that. The box does show up to your house. It also comes with a package that you can see all of the items and their pricing. And then also it has the tape to seal up the box. And after you've answered all their questions of whether you are buying, returning, or exchanging, you can exchange it for another size or another color through their site. You have the option then to choose where your box will be picked up. I always just say on my front porch the next day. So it is a very, very easy subscription service. They do also give you outfit ideas throughout the items that they send to you. So I will be showing you the outfit ideas that they send to me. So if this is a subscription service or an item that you think you would like to give a try, I do have a $50 off discount code down below that gives you $50 off, and then I get a $50 credit to my next box. When you sign up for this service, you have that same ability. So if you decide to tell your best friend or your mom or someone about it, then you will get $50 off yours when they get $50 off. So I will put that link down below. So now let's jump into trying these outfits on and walking through my thoughts on them. Starting with the first outfit that they sent, I am going to tell you, they sent me first in the trunk. The preview had a pair of flat sandals that were not my style. And I said I prefer a wedge, which is what you're seeing on me here now. However, they sent me a platform UGG shoe. I will put a clip in here of what that looks like. It is just not my style, and I personally do not like black in a sandal. I tend to gravitate towards a caramel color or a nude color or even a white before a black. It just doesn't look good because I have a lighter skin tone. Black against that looks very stark in the time frames where I would be wearing a sandal. I also want to tell you a necklace. I will put a clip in here as well of this from Madewell. I do not like this necklace. It just was not my style. It was a little bit too yellowy gold, not like a true gold look. It just wasn't for me. So I have already taken both of those things off because it wasn't even worth really showing you. But I want to show you the rest of this. These jeans from a brand called Reformation, they are in a size 31. They are $218. And originally she had a different pair in there that was kind of that like patchwork. Not for me. So I put these in, but I did not realize when I did that there is rhinestones all along here and all along here. Again, that is not for me. I will say these are button fly. They are not easy to button. The buttons don't have enough space to go into the holes. It just doesn't work very well. And then this top, I actually really like this top. It's a slight bit tight right through here, but I think it's just where it sits. This is a satin blouse from a brand called Vici collection. It is, I think it's $58. It is in a size large. I'm just buttoning it. I had it tied up, which would be how I would tend to wear it. But I actually really, really like this top. It's very cute, very comfortable. Now, the whole look together, no. The jeans, no. But I do like the top, and I will style that myself in ways that I would wear it. Then these pants. These are joggers that are also jeans, and they are from Paige. And they have 2 buttons and then a zipper. They are super, super comfortable. And I like this shirt with this look more so than the last look. So these are in a size 31. They are a splurge. They are $229. So do I like them that much? I love a jogger all through the spring and summer though, and I wear a black jogger all the time. So could this be kind of like a twist on that? I don't know. The necklace itself is $88. It is from a brand Argento Vino, I think it is, or Vivo. I've never heard of it before. It's half silver and half gold, and I love it because I love mixed metals. It is a really, really neat, fun piece. So this outfit, again, is an outfit that I thought would look super cute with this little bag. The tiny, tiny little bag. It's way littler than I thought. And so this look, I really like. Next up is keeping the same joggers on. They suggested this outfit could work with the joggers or with the jeans. I am over those jeans, no intention of putting them back on. Again, same thing with the shoes. I am gonna wear these through this. So this is a jean jacket that is from Madewell. I love Madewell's jean jackets. It is a black jean jacket. If you are looking for a good classic one, they make amazing ones that are at a really good price point because a jean jacket is going to last you so long. This one is in a size large and it's $128, $138. I have a black kind of, it actually looks like this jean color jean jacket, so I wasn't sure if I needed a black, solid black one. Still not sure what I think of that. I really like my light one I have, but I feel like this one, it's kind of like wearing black jeans with a blue jean jacket. This one might be a good one to have in my wardrobe. Then this top. Okay, so this is from Free People. It is $58. It was in a size large. Again, you could have the tiny little bag with it. This is called like the boyfriend t-shirt. And the color is neat. It's called Navy Peony, but it's like, so I feel pregnant in it. And I'm not. Like, it just feels, I don't know. I tried tucking it in. I tried moving it around. It's very, very comfortable. It's very cute color. I just don't like the fit of it. Next up is this top. It is from Halogen. It is a peplum style kind of collared shirt that ties around the waist. I will say I realized as I put all of these items on that when I asked for a transition into spring, I got a lot of black. So they did suggest to wear this with the blue jeans, as I mentioned, not putting those back on. It is a cute top. It is $79. It is in a size large. It is very cute. I just don't know how much I would wear that. I feel like this would be a great top to wear out, but you have to have the right bottoms with it. I threw on a pair of jeans real quick. This is more what I was hoping that pair they sent me to be, like a straight leg, but like comfortable. Those just didn't work for me. These are a pair from Paige. I wanted to see what this top looked like on with this because I was going black into gray, which wasn't accentuating my hips. And I wasn't sure where this top sat on me, if it would make me look hippie. So I wanted to throw it on with a pair of jeans and take a look at it. And first I want to apologize for my crazy pale legs and arms right now, but this is what it is. This is a dress from Vince. It is in a size large. It is $195. It has a cross where you actually pull the tire on the back and then pull it to the front and tie it. It's in a bluish color. The sleeve is very, very low. I can see my bra. I feel like I would need something underneath of it. I actually originally thought it would look super cute with the pop of yellow. Yeah, I don't love this. The arm sits funny here. It's not like a cap sleeve, but it's not a half sleeve. It's not sleeveless. It's a little bit, it doesn't have pockets. I wanted to have pockets. I actually have a dress very similar to this, as funny as this is. It's from like Old Navy and it has pockets and it looks just as expensive, and it was probably $30, I would guess, at the most 40. And this is a no-go. But do you see what I mean by lots of dark colors when I asked for things for spring? Who knows? Now this says spring. However, this is not me. This is actually pretty much a dupe of a less expensive version of this dress, these bows, that I got on Amazon that I just sold on my Poshmark. I will link my Poshmark for you guys down below if you're interested. That's where I sell a lot of these items that I might think I'm gonna love, and then I don't. This is $124. It is fairly, it's got a lot of layers to it. And I get it because it's light colored and you don't want to see through it, but it has a lot of layers to it. It is in a size large. The bows are driving me crazy because I'm thinking if I put a jacket on, this is not for me at all. So those are all of the outfits and my thoughts. I'd love to hear your thoughts on all of these outfits down below in the comments. And if you are new around here, I would love if you subscribed and followed along. As I mentioned, there is a $50 off discount code that I can share with you that is down in my description box as well. And if you would like to see how I style the items that I kept a little bit more, definitely go check out my Instagram as well, because that is where I post the most photos, videos, reels, things like that using some of these items and how I style them. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day.